All right, guys. I want to walk you through how to set an alarm on your Sonos system. Now, I have one Sonos down here, and then I have my living room set up, and then my other two are currently unplugged or not charged, so they're not going to show on here. But you can choose which speaker you want to have an alarm on it, and you can use that to wake you up, which is pretty cool. And to set this up, we will need to go into the settings here and then just scroll down to alarms. In alarms, you're just going to select add alarm. And here you're going to select what time you want that alarm to go. So if I wanted it at 5 a.m., whoops, which room, so I'll just say office, and then you can toggle this on to include grouped rooms. So if office was inside of a group, the alarm would sound on that entire group, not just office. So I'll just turn that off for now. Now the music, we can choose the Sonos chime. That's boring. We'll probably want to wake up to our own music. I have some favorite playlists here. Honestly, I don't know why these are in my favorites, but you can also search. So if I come on in here and I search for all I want for Christmas, and you can choose whatever you want it to be. So I chose an actual playlist. That's the radio, I guess. When you want it to repeat, so I only want to wake up at 5 on Monday through Friday, and then the volume here. So let's turn this down and hit save. Now I have this alarm that is set. It's going to play All I Want for Christmas radio uh, in the office, right? And what's cool is I can have multiple alarms set up. So I can have an alarm in that room, and I can have another alarm in another room based on what time they need to be up. So super cool. Hope this helps, guys. If it does, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.